Hey party people, we're here with Barry Nix and he has made this fantastic book, Garage Door Marketing Machine, and what we're going to be talking about today is one of the most powerful ways to be able to get your home service business to the next level. That's not just utilizing online marketing, but the power of content. Barry, thank you for being here with us. Please let us know what's on your mind, because we definitely want to be able to share with everyone the power of not only your book, but utilizing content to grow your home service business.
Great.
Yeah, you can record.
Great. How you doing?
Yeah, pretty good. How's it going, Tony?
Great. How are you?
Good.
Hi there.
See you, bud.
Nice to see you.
You look good. You're thinning out, bro. Yeah, look good. Say the camera.
You brought the boss.
Yeah, I brought the boss this time around.
Hi,
Awesome.
how are you? It's good
Nice
to
to meet you. And you put it to work.
Yep.
That's not good.
Good to see you too, buddy. How you been? You both are looking good. What's your secret?
Stress.
Fluffy shirt.
Yeah, stress. It's the fluffy shirt. Stress.
So you guys want some popcorn?
Oh yeah, that sounds great. What's up, Kevin?
Santiago.
Well, I'm like with my own company too, but all the access.
In reality, I mean, you know, we couldn't do this without partnering with great companies like Genie and, of course, everything that you guys are doing. It's all good.
We're coming out with a gate line. I don't know if you knew that or not.
No, I did not know that.
Yeah, we're coming out with a gate line. Hopefully it'll be beginning of next year. Yeah, hopefully.
Awesome.
Our 3120 is getting a redesign.
Oh, beautiful.
I can't tell you a whole bunch about it at this point, but we're redesigning that.
We love hearing that.
And then that'll be the first model that gets redesigned, and then we'll start redesigning other products after that.
I know that the Genie 6170 is about 4 years old now. I know that you guys have made some minor iterations to it with like the battery and stuff like that. But I'm curious, are we going to see a big jump from it? Is it going to change here in year 5? Or
I have not heard any.
Nothing yet? Okay.
Are you aware
I
that?
doubt it.
Are you aware that we make a commercial version of that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
so that's a light duty commercial version of
Yeah.
that. Meets all the commercial standard great options and features that you're supposed to have on the commercial products.
Nice.
Yeah. We have 3 different configurations for that. Sprocket kid, and then something that goes on like a Janus type of rolling steel or rolling fiberglass door.
Oh, nice.
And then what else? Is there another one? There's 3 of them. I forget what the other one is.
I know there's the
Light
Toy
duty
Master,
commercial.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. Man, that's awesome, guys.
Yeah, no, I think they're gonna probably redesign, refresh all of them. Probably the wall mount will be the last one, just because it's one of the most popular.
Yeah.
It's working well.
Oh, it's great.
And it looks pretty nice anyway. So it looks pretty nice.
And the dimensions are pretty compact on it
Oh,
as
yeah.
well. So I mean, get better.
That's one of my favorite aspects of it, because it's so small. You can put it in tight spaces. For me, that's one of the selling points. And I think the only one that's smaller than you guys is the Marantec, but they don't have the same brand recognition. I tell customers about Marantec, and they're just like, "Who's Marantec?" You know. So I mean, they
The
know
Wi-Fi
Genie.
leaves a little something to be desired.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Kind of thing. So and it's a
Yeah.
pretty expensive machine too, right?
I've yet to price it. I did mention it to a customer, but he didn't buy it. So I always lead with the 6170 personally as a dealer installer. Of course, it's between the 6170 and the 98022, but that's more of a customer standpoint.
Right.
So customer wants to know about that. I'll always say, well, you got these options. I even throw in the Guardian,
sir.
and
Speak to this guy.
they'll let me, or they'll go at it from there. So, but Genie 6170 is what we lead with.
Nice. Appreciate that.
Of course, my friend. Of course. It's good seeing you, bro.
You too, man. Appreciate it. Nice
Yeah.
seeing you again.
Likewise. Hey, you only got like 5% on this.
Okay, yeah.
For homeowners, there's some homeowners that do not want the Wi-Fi. So now, okay, we're gonna sell it to you separately.
Okay.
So you don't need it. You don't have. If you don't want it, you don't need it.
Yeah, keeps the price point.
Keeps the price point down. Exactly.
Absolutely. That's awesome.
And then our overhead door as well.
Yeah, you're good.
Sorry. Our overhead door as well. Oops. So now we have our motion sensor built in. so you can disactivate and activate it with the light button. So right now it's going to deactivate. So right now it gives you one beep, it deactivated. To then press and hold, it's going to give you 3 beeps. That means it's activated, the motion sensor. So that's when it turns on the light. And then now we have our V3 connected here as well. So, but that's a
sensor. Where is it at?
So it's going to be inside the logic board behind here. It's going to be a little square.
Okay.
That's where we built it's built in.
I do follow you on YouTube. It's great to see you.
Hey, likewise.
Yeah.
Victor.
Yeah, Victor with Walmart Garage Doors in Long Beach, California.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, but it's nice to see your videos, and I learned a lot from that.
Oh, thank you.
I've been in the business for 20 years, but I like it. I like to see your videos.
Thank you,
No
Victor.
problem, no problem.
Man,
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, bro. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
How's it going?
It's going good. How are you?
Doing well, doing well. You guys are in Rivers, Rancho, right?
Rancho, yeah.
Yes.
I can't see who you're with.
No, I'm Santiago. Eso es correcto.
Santiago, the gentleman that does the great videos on YouTube. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I appreciate that. I got a call from Trevor the other day.
Correct. Yeah.
And I'm so sorry I didn't get to call him back, but you know, of course, if
you're busy.
Yeah, we use Service Spring through multi-cells. I mean, I think we buy through multi-cells. But we always appreciate. I think you guys have a wealth of information from your YouTube videos. And quite frankly, when someone asks me a question like, you know, what's better, an oil tempered and stuff like that, instead of redoing a video like that, I said, check out Service Spring's website.
Appreciate that. Yeah.
You know, they got a lot of good information.
Yeah.
There's a bottom retainer from Amar that's like mold type. Do you guys have a seal for that?
It's not that one. I don't have a sample of that here with me.
Okay.
Triangular seals, like a triangular end.
It's mold like, but it's bigger than the Wayne Dalton version.
Yeah.
We do so many different bottom seals.
Yeah.
I'm sure that I have something that's compatible for you.
Oh.
That's an overhead.
Yeah, that's I had a door the other day that I ended up taking that out, putting an aluminum T-channel retainer. Awesome.
Swapping out the whole bottom.
Yeah. We just couldn't find that piece anywhere, so we're going to see what you guys do. You guys have literally the quietest garage door opener.
Yeah, that's my card. I will be representing California here, so
awesome.
I'll come by and see you. Yeah, so I'm the new Brace.
Perfect. Yeah. The 2.0 version.
Yeah, hopefully. I got to get there. Give me a couple months.
No worries. All right. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
The infamous multi-cells. The guys that I know and love. Definitely got to go say. Oh, you see Mark over there? Mark from Nice. Yeah.
Affinity shields on here.
No, they're not. They were supposed to be here, but they're not. Dan from Multi-Cells. It's my homie right here. Dan takes care of me, especially when he allows me to borrow borrow openers for videos.
Yeah. I wish I had videos to loan you.
Yeah. Good stuff. How have you guys been?
Good.
Yeah.
How about you?
Good.
Yeah, good to see you. Got the YouTube going.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah. How's it going, boss? Nice to meet you. Santiago, nice to meet you. Yeah.
The service center in Ontario.
Okay, great. There's a rep that keeps reaching out to me that he does the Southern California area.
Glenn. Hey, Glenn.
That's right. Glenn. I'm sorry. Glenn, how's
How you doing, bud?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
I know we've been trying to get together, and I'm so sorry that you emailed me and you were like, hey, I'm going to be in the area, and it's just been...
I get it. People are busy. when you got time, you just let me know, and I'll be out there, and
we'll make it happen.
Absolutely.
There's a buddy that I follow on YouTube that he does Power Master. He likes the Power Master a lot. He does Lift Master and Genie on commercial as well. But when he talks about the Power Master, he talks about the strength behind it, the way it's built. It's good stuff.
That's cool. Well, I was asking him, I was like,
Dude, they look like they're really into social. Like, I mean, most people don't show up with that much stuff. Like, that's a pretty cool setup.
We have a method to our madness.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Remember your name again?
Jeff.
Jeff.
Yes.
Jeff. I know Rose.
Yes.
Okay.
Rose and
Michael.
We met last year.
I want to say like
Orit?
Yeah. It's nice to put faces to, to certain companies. Obviously, we work with Workies in the past.
You've done some videos for them, huh?
Yeah, we've done some videos for them. The guys over from Multi-Cells we work with. Got to see some of the guys in Service Springs. It's just nice to be able to.
That's a Dallas company, Service Spring.
Oh yeah. They also have in Visalia their location.
Okay.
So we're trying to get out to go see them and stuff.
That's your niche. Home services, training those guys how to do what you've done with your YouTube channel and Instagram stuff. But it doesn't matter what they are. But your market becomes huge. Yeah. Instead of one industry, it's 4 or 5 industries, and those 4 or 5 are much bigger than the door industry. Yeah. And that's not a bad thing. I mean, I don't sell those other guys, and we just keep growing. But something like this, if I was you, I would make yourself available for all of this, because the HVAC, plumbers, and electrical, they're just gonna buy it. Like, okay. And so when you're recording that content and doing the coaching and training, I would make it. Are you a home service contractor? Like, are you a plumber, HVAC, electrical, garage door? I own a garage door company. Well, blah, 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 I don't know. Anyways, the intro to this podcast.
He's a genius.
This podcast is about different ways garage door contractors can increase their lead flow.
Yeah.
Can brand their company to burn the name of their business inside of the skulls of the people who live in their service area. And it ain't all about Google, right? You've done such a phenomenal job at the video stuff, like the video content, the reels, the shorts. The social media is so high. It is how people consume content, right? I think YouTube is the second most searched platform on God's green planet.
Yeah.
So you have mastered that, and I don't know anybody, and I don't know of anyone who's done what you've been able to do with the video content.
Jeremy Brummels.
Nice to meet you, Jeremy. Yeah, we had the privilege of going over to the facility. We love your motor. We're strategically trying to find a place to put it in, because we just don't want to give it to anyone. We want to be able to get some metrics behind it.
I appreciate that.
So here's the big thing. It'll work on a solid shaft or a hollow shaft. So it's commercial or residential. Commercial will come with a 3-button standard wall station. Residential will come with a plug-in Megacode, Megacode Photo Eyes, and the Wi-Fi that comes on the rest of our operators. That's your battery pack.
Nice.
All plug and play. It goes up in less than 7.5 inches.
Awesome.
Even with this. And I'm doing a tight fit right now, and all they have is 7.5 inches. And he said I'm about an inch under. So happy.
About shoes.
Oh no! I'm just trying to get some good footage here. Oh yeah, no worries. We can get it to where we can do like selfie mode. So we do.
In 59 minutes.
So now.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't look that bad.
Yeah. So that way we can have proof that we were with the guys from Nice. Linear
right.
Nice. Is it nice or linear nice? It's just nice now.
So it's just nice.
Yeah.
Linear is one of our brands, if you will. So it's more of a mod, becoming more of a model.
Yeah. No, I think nice is better. And that's kind of like, that was one of the play on words with the video. So it's like, this is the nicest nicest garage door opener we've ever unboxed.
Yeah, very literally.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Nice guys. And they do not end last, or they do not come in last. Nice guys do not come in last.
Right.
They come in first.
That's right.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, good to see
Always
you.
good to see you guys.
It's so nice
guys
to
are
meet
amazing.
you.
Yeah, thank you. You're even way more amazing.
Can't wait to see the video.
All right, be careful. Good to see you.
We'll have a really good,
You guys need some popcorn to go?
Oh no, we got some.
I'll take one.
Yeah, we got it all bagged up for you.
Thank you.
Take a couple.
We're making Simmons work, so I gotcha. Makes sense.
This doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
Tell they do. I'm not.
that makes sense.